Hi, today I'm here with Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus and I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch on this device. So now by double press the power key button, we can open the camera app, launch the camera application, and if you wanna change this option, for example, to open the another option, another application, just push it first, open the settings, and then scroll down to the advanced features. Here we will see the side key section. Now we have selected here was in the double press section the quick launch camera. We can switch it to the open up and to use one from the available applications on our device, or for example to use the torch. For example, let's tap to the torch. Now let's just press twice to the power key and we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. To turn it off, once again press twice to the power key button and that's it. We can click here to this settings icon and just switch it, for example, switch the flashlight to launch the YouTube application. Now let's just press twice to the power key and we can see that the YouTube ads successfully opened. To turn it off, just we should click to the double press switcher and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.